Sky 008. It's the tiniest Pico projector, but this tiny body packs quite a lot of power. This 110-inch screen is projected using the Sky 008. This is a DLP model with a 0.2-inch DMD chip. Its native resolution is 584 by 480 pixels, and it has a battery built in. The battery is 3600 milliamp hours, so we can actually unplug the power cable. Yeah, and since you're shooting it at the screen at a weird angle, it will be very helpful that it has this function, automatic keystone adjustment. Now let's have a look. I'm not doing anything, it adjusts keystoning automatically. The Fire 008 has 70 ANSI lumens of brightness, and it is good enough, especially without any lights on. Its operating system is Android 7, and it has DRM level 3, which means that you can install the latest version of Netflix, Amazon Prime, and other video streaming apps. So this is the launcher of the Android system, and it has Google Play is installed, YouTube, Netflix, and if you go right here, this is more apps. You can always download any apps from Google Play Store. You can download as many as you wish. Sky 008 has touch-sensitive control buttons and a mouse trackpad on top of it. It also has a small inbuilt speaker, and although it's not the best speaker in the world, but it's good enough when on the go. You can also connect it to an external speaker via Bluetooth or a standard 3.5mm audio cable. Other I/Os include a full-size USB port and a mini HDMI.